Want smoother gameplay on your PS5? Here's how to enable refreshes rate 120 times per second in just a few steps. Step 1. Go to Settings, then Screen and Video. Select Video Output Settings and set video resolution to automatic. Step 2. Go back to Settings. Choose Game or App Settings, then Game Presets, and switch Performance Mode from Game Default to Performance Mode. And that's it. If your TV or monitor supports refreshes rate 120 times per second, your PS5 will automatically enable it in supported games. Still seeing refreshes rate 60 times per second? Just start a refreshes rate 120 times per second supported game, and it will adjust automatically. For 4K at refreshes rate 120 times per second, you'll need an HDMI 2.1 monitor. Otherwise, you'll get 1080p at refreshes rate 120 times per second or 4K at refreshes rate 120 times per second. Save this tip, enable refreshes rate 120 times per second, and enjoy smoother gameplay. Like and follow for more PS5 tips.